Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox, review and take a closer look at the brand new Snapmaker U1 3D printer. One of the biggest challenges in 3D printing is creating multicolor models quickly while minimizing filament waste. The Snapmaker U1 is designed specifically to solve that problem. This machine comes packed with advanced features like auto calibration, auto fold detection and a large build volume, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Unlike traditional multicolor systems that rely on an AMS unit, the Snapmaker U1 uses 4 independent toolheads that automatically swap during printing. This allows for faster multicolor prints with significantly less material waste. Inside the main box, we find several smaller accessory boxes along with the printer itself. Let's open them and see what's included. If you are interested in purchasing the Snapmaker U1, you can visit our website Zbotic.in, where you will also find a wide range of 3D printers and filaments from brands like Bamboo Labs, eSun and Numakers. The link is in the description below. Let's start with the first accessories box. Here we have various tools and components needed for setup, including pliers and other essential tools. We also received the feeder motors. These motors are responsible for driving the filament into the tool heads, ensuring smooth and consistent feeding during prints. Next we have the filament holders. The Snapmaker U1 includes 4 holders, positioned 2 on each side of the printer. We also get PTFE tubes which guide the filament from the spools to the tool heads. These tubes help keep the filament path smooth, stable and tangle-free. A scraper is included as well. The pliers help trim filament tips for easy insertion into the feeders. Additionally, a grease tube is provided. Applying grease to the motion components ensures smoother movement and long-term reliability. Moving on to the second box, here we find the power cable required to operate the printer. Below that, we have sample filaments for test printing. The printer includes 4 colors: black, red, white and yellow. We also received the documentation, including the assembly manual and safety guide. These provide step-by-step instructions and important safety precautions. Now let's begin assembling the Snapmaker U1. First, we install the feeder motors on both sides of the printer. Next, we connect the PTFE tubes, linking the feeder motors to the filament spools at the rear. In total, 4 PTFE tubes are connected. We then attach the filament holders, 2 on each side, which keep the spools stable and allow smooth rotation during printing. After that, we install the filament waste collector. This component gathers the small amount of filament purged during tool head transitions. Now it's time to attach the tool heads. When installing them, ensure the red alignment mark is visible. Gently slide the tool head into position. Once the red mark disappears, the tool head into position. Next, we connect the support cables that guide and stabilize the PTFE tubes during movement. Finally, we remove the protective films and mount the filament spools onto their holders. Feeding the filament into the feeder motors is simple, as the system automatically guides it into the tool heads. Setup is now complete. The Snapmaker U1 features a generous build volume of 270 mm, allowing for large-scale prints. With everything ready, we can start printing. We'll use the included Dragon model along with the sample filaments for this demonstration. As you can see, all 4 tool heads are functioning correctly and moving smoothly. The print has started and the printer is producing a multicolor model with minimal filament waste. Only a small prime tower is used to ensure clean color transitions. Because the Snapmaker U1 relies on automatic tool head swapping rather than repeated filament loading and unloading, printing is faster, cleaner and far more efficient. And that wraps up our unboxing and overview of the Snapmaker U1. With its automatic calibration, intelligent tool head swapping, and large build volume, the U1 offers a highly efficient and user-friendly multicolor printing experience. The 4-tool head system significantly reduces filament waste while saving time, making it a powerful solution for creators, professionals, and businesses alike. If you're looking for a reliable multicolor 3D printer with advanced features and smooth performance, if you're looking for a reliable multicolor 3D printer with truly innovative engineering, the Snapmaker U1 stands out as a revolutionary product. Its tool head change system redefines flexibility and efficiency in multicolor printing, setting a new benchmark for the industry. We believe this approach is so impactful that other manufacturers are likely to adopt similar concepts in the future. In our next video, we'll compare the Snapmaker U1 with the P1S, focusing specifically on multicolor printing performance and workflow. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more 3D printing content. For the Snapmaker U1 and other 3D printers, check out Zbotic.in, link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.